Hi everyone, my name is Erika Scholtz and I'm joined by Matimba Shingange. We will be presenting our project on the Zondo Commission on state capture, what we missed. The problem statement presented for this project can be summarized as follows. Journalists do not have sufficient time or manpower to manually go through 3 years of testimony in the Zondo Commission on state capture transcripts to make new connections and uncover new leads. Thus, data science is required to categorize themes, identify main entities involved, map out connections, and point out outliers from the Zondo Commission transcripts. From the problem statement, we can answer the question of why do this project. If we marry the fields of journalism and data science, it can provide journalists with a better means to uncover important information and new leads to pursue. The following questions were identified by the project scoping phase. The first is whether latent Dirichlet allocation can be used to extract the main themes from the Zondo Commission transcripts. The second is whether the named entity recognition can be used to extract the main people and organizations that were involved in state capture. The third question is whether network analysis will reveal the relationships between entities implicated in the Zondo Commission hearings. The last question is whether looking at the least mentioned entities will reveal new people and organizations to investigate. The EDA phase of the project, 4 different types of explorations were performed. Dataset descriptions to obtain information such as document length distributions and analyzing the longest transcripts by day. Top and bottom words were obtained by using TF-IDF and were presented in word clouds and graphs. Similarly, top and bottom diagrams were analyzed. Lastly, cluster analysis was performed and visualized by using t-SNE and PCA. The results showed the presence of clusters in the data. The first type of modeling that was performed was topic modeling to extract the main themes from the Zondo Commission transcripts. The optimal number of topics found was 10, and the top 20 words from each topic, together with analysis of existing reports, were used to label the topics. It can be seen in the table on the right that the topic modeling results highlight state capture of Eskom, Denel, Prasa, Transnet, and more.
The next modeling approach was named Entity Recognition and was used to extract the top and bottom entities from the Zondo Commission transcripts. The model was able to identify 13 unique entity classes of which person and organization were of main interest. From the results, we can see that the top names include Monife, Kuku, Angelo Agrizi, and more. The top organizations point out Eskom, the ANC, SAA, PRISA, and more. The bottom names and organizations can be used to identify outliers for potential new leads. The last type of modeling performed was network analysis. The aim of this analysis was to present semantic relationships between the different entities through the use of nodes and arcs. Python's networks, Delphi, and fuzzy libraries were used to obtain the results shown. From the visualized network, one can see the relationships of many entities such as Zuma, Eskom, and the Guptas to other entities found in the Zondo Commission transcripts. Data visualization was performed in order to present the EDA and modeling results in an easy to understand and interactive way to our project stakeholders. 2 main methods of visualizations were used. The first is Streamlit app, in which users can explore results and filter each of the sections to perform easy analysis. The second method that was used is the Sigma.js app. This app presents the network analysis and provides a filterable and interactive interface for users to explore the network of entities. Some of the main limitations of this project include that only one dataset was used. The data included spelling mistakes, which made it difficult to identify outliers, and data visualization was limited to free tools due to budget constraints. Lastly, where do we go from here? Future work include running the experiments using alternative topic and other modeling approaches. Expand the dataset to include other reports and documents on the Zondo Commission on state capture. Include social media data to include a public point of view on the Zondo Commission on state capture. And lastly, to generate new leads, new journalistic leads. Thank you for your time.